Today's shop tip is going to be about ratchet wrenches. Now they're super handy because they can get into spots where normal sockets and ratchets can't, but they do have one weak point. At least the Blackhawk ones that I've been using have a weak point, and that is that if you use these to really tighten stuff down, it just strips out the little lever and the ratchet mechanism in there. So when you're going to tighten something, say like this bolt, I've got my regular standard wrench underneath. You know, you'd go ahead and use the ratchet side and tighten it, but then when you're going to actually finish tighten it to the torque you want, just flip it around and use the regular end, the regular open end. That will keep this in nice condition for all those projects you have where you have to have this to get in there because your regular ratchet cannot. Also, another tip about ratchet wrenches, buy something with a lifetime warranty. Then you don't really have to do that and you can just blow them up and go get a free one. That's your shop tip for today. Thanks for watching.